Hi students, welcome to my class. So dear students, in the last classes we are discussing the exercise 1.3. Okay students, in that exercise the third and fourth questions in the last video I did one mistake. So sorry for that. I will solve again once again. The question number 4, third and fourth question I will solve again. In the last videos it became mistake. Okay students, so let us take the exercise 3.1.3 third and fourth questions. So fourth question, what they are given, A3 is equal to 15 and S10 is equal to 125. So A3 is equal to 15 and S10 is equal to 125. They are given. We have to calculate common difference D and A10. That two values we have to calculate. Before going that, what they are given, A3 is equal to 15. A3 can be written as A plus 2D. It is equal to 15 and A plus 2D is equal to 15, call it as number 1, equation number 1, we have to consider as equation number 1. And then S10 means sum of the 10th term is 125. So S10 can be written as, that means n is equal to 10 here. S10 means n is equal to 10. Yes friends, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes. S10 it is equal to n means 10 by 2 it is equal to 2 into a, I don't know, we have to calculate, plus n means 10 minus of 1 into d. Then S10 in that 125 you have to substitute, S10 instead of 125 you have to substitute, and then 2 ones are 2 5s are. So remaining is 5. Remaining 2a plus 10 minus of 1 is 9 into d, 90. Here, if you send 5, it becomes divided. So in that video, I will send here minus 5. It is wrong. 5, if it is come here, means divided by 5, because here this is one term and this is also one term. In between, into sign is there. If you send here means this. If it is come here means it become divided. If it is come means this term is, if it is come in the LHS side, it is also become a division. Therefore, I will send 5 only, so it becomes 125 divided by 5, it is equal to 2a plus 90. And 5 ones are 5 2s are 10 and 5 ones are 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Remaining is 225. So remaining 2a plus 90, it is equal to 25. Call it as number 2. So these two equations we have to solve in the simultaneous linear equations. So then we can get the a value and the d value. Okay students, so I will take the solve equation number 1 and 2. So what is our first equation? A plus 2d, it is equal to 15. And then second, 2a plus 9d, it is equal to 25. Okay students, here observe here, the first term a, another variable is d. So these two variables are not equal. So any one of the variables, if it is become equal, then easily we have to solve the pair of linear equations. What we have to do? So a term here, 2a term is there. Here 1, coefficient of a is 1, here 2. So we have to make it the equal for the a terms or the d terms. So I will take the a terms. So the equations 1 we have to multiply by 2, because of this the coefficient of a is 2, that coefficient we have to multiply by the first equation. The first equation of the first term a, the coefficient of is 1, we have to multiply by second equations. Okay students, we have multiplied by 2 entire equations. So 2 into a, 2a plus 2 into 2, 4d, it is equal to 2 to the 4, 15 to the 30. Next students, 1 if you are multiplying itself only, 2a plus 9d, it is equal to 25. Yes, now we have to subtract it, you have to sign in the changing your signs. So 2a plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled, remaining minus 9d plus 4d minus 5d, it is equal to 30 and 25, 5. 30 minus 25 is 5. Then 5 get cancelled, 5 ones are, remaining d is equal to minus 1. D value we can get. Next, we have to calculate a. So this d value we have to substitute either equation number 1 or equation number 2. So I will substitute in equation number 1. From 1, a plus 2 times of d means minus of 1, it is equal to 15. Then a plus into minus minus 2 ones are 2, it is equal to 15. So a is equal to 15 if it is coming plus 2. So a is equal to 15 plus of 2, 17. So a is 17 and d is minus 1. So now we have to calculate a10. a10 means an is equal to what? A plus n minus of 1 into d. This is the formula of nth term of an AP. So we have to calculate a10. A means, so already find out 17 plus of n means 10. 10 minus of 1 into d means common difference is minus 1. Then 17 plus 10 minus of 1 is 9. 9 into minus 1. Okay. A is 17 and d is minus 1. Okay. So 125. A 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A 2a plus 9 is equal to 25. 2a plus 9 is 15 to 30. Yes, d is equal to minus 1. A plus 2 into d. D means minus 1. It is equal to 15. So minus 2. So if you are sending plus 2, 17 it become. So a10 we have to calculate. an is equal to a plus n minus of 1 into d. So a10 is equal to 17 plus of 10 minus of 1 minus of 1. So n means 10. 10 minus of 1 is 9. 9 into minus 1 minus 1. So then 17 plus into minus minus 9 ones are 9. Then 17 minus of 9 is 8. This is a10. Understand, students? So this is the value of d and this is a and this is a10. Understand? Yes. Next, we can go to the question number 6. We have to continue the exercise 1.3 now. Yes, students. What is the question number 6? So read it correctly. So the first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If common difference, CD means common difference, is 9. The common difference is 9. How many terms? That means we have to calculate the value of n are there and what is their sum, and Sn is also calculated. If you want n, so what they are given first? We have to write down the given first. So question number 6th question. The first and the last term of an AP. First term is A. A means what? 17. A means 17. And the last term L also and also AN. AN is also last term. We can indicate it as L also AN. Both are same. So last term is 350. That means AN is equal to 350. If common difference is 9. Common difference means D is equal to 9. How many terms are there? That means n is equal to question mark. And also Sn is equal to question mark. Sum of the nth term of an AP. What is the sum in the related question? Yes, students, they are given A and the AN. I don't know what n goes. I don't know n. We have to calculate n. Yes, if you are given AN, we have to use the AN formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus of 1 into D. Yes. Okay. Here, first term is given, common difference is given, AN is given, D, n is easily we have to find out. AN is equal to 350, it is equal to A means 17 plus n means we have to calculate minus of 1 into D means what is the common difference is 9. Yes, 350, if you are saying 17 minus 17. Because here plus is there, if you come in minus 17, so it is equal to n minus of 1 into 9. Yes, 350 minus of 17. So 350 minus of 10, 340. 340 minus of 7, 333. So here 350 minus of 10 minus of 7 is 3. Here 4. 4 minus of 1 is 3. Remaining is 3. 333. So remaining n minus of 1 into 9. If you are saying 9, it become division 9 ones are 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27, 63 is remaining, so 9 7s are 63, it is equal to n minus of 1. So remaining n minus of 1, it is equal to 37. So n is equal to 37 minus 1 if here comes plus 1, therefore n is equal to 38. Understand students? N is equal to 38. Yes, now we have to find the Sn. Yes, Sn means Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into A plus L. We have to use it because first term we know that, last term we know that. Correct? So that's why we are using this formula. If you are using Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that one is also use it. If you use means if you are getting the solution, no problem. So I will use this formula. So n means 38. So S38, it is equal to 38 divided by 2 into a means first term is 17 plus last term is 350. Correct? Yes. So 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, remaining is 19, and then 350 plus of 17. How much? 367. 367. See here, 350 plus of 10, 360, 367. So if you are multiplying 19 into 367, how much? 19 sevens are 133. Remaining is 13. Remainder is 30. 19 sixes are 114. 114 plus of 13, 127. So 17 carried 12. So 19 threes are 57. 57 plus of 12, 69. So this is S38. 6973. So this is the sum of the 38th terms is 6973. This is the value of n. Are you understand, students? Yes. Shall we go to the next question? Yes. Question number 7. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7. 22nd term is 149. So here 149 is the last term. Here they are not given. They are given last term. They are given 22nd term is last term, that is become 149. 22nd term is n is equal to 22 and d is equal to given. D is equal to 7. We have to calculate first a and also then sum of the first 22 terms. Yes, students. Very simple. Question number how much? Question number 7. Yes. What they are given? First d is given. D is equal to 7. Yes, d is equal to 7. 22nd term is n is equal to 22. So a22 is equal to 149. Yes, friends. Now we have to calculate the sum of the first 22 terms. That means S22 we have to calculate. Correct? Yes. So what they are given? A22 given. That means an is given. So that's why I am using an formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, friends. An they are given 149. It is equal to a we have to calculate plus n means 22. N is equal to 22 minus of 1 into d means 7. D is equal to 7. 149 it is equal to, so a plus 22 minus of 1 is 21. 21 into 7. So 149 it is equal to a plus 21 into 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 147. If you are saying 147, it becomes minus 147. It is equal to a. Therefore 140 minus of 147 is equal to 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2. The value of a is 2. A also got it, and n are given, d is given, a22 is given, s22 is easily you have to find out. That means a is the first term, a22 is the last term. Shall we use the Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n? Very easy you have to solve it. Sn is equal to n by 2 into again a plus l. You have use it, this formula. It will get easily have to find out the solution. Yes. Sn, that means S22 is equal to n means 22 by 2 into a means first term is 2 plus last term is an. That means 149. 149. Yes, S22, it is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 11. 11 into what? 149 plus up to 151. Therefore S22, it is equal to 11 ones are 11, 11 5s are 55 plus of 1, 56. So 11 ones are 11, 11 plus of 5, 60, 1661. So like that we have to solve it. First, what they are given, what we have to calculate, which formula we are using to calculate the solution. Are you understand, students? Yes. So question number 8 you have to solve in your home, because this is same question number 7. You have to solve it in your home. Question number 9, I will go to the question number 9. Yes, question number 9. If the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms, first 17 terms is 289. First 7 terms is 49 and sum of the first 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of the first n terms. Sum of the n terms we have to calculate. So that means first what they are given? S7, sum of the first 7 terms. Question number 9, I will go to the question number 9. Yes, S7 is given. S7 is 49. Correct? Yes, S7 means can be written as S7, that means n is equal to 7 here. Correct? Yes, S7 can be written as Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus of 1 into d. We have to use this formula. Correct? Sn means 49. 49 it is equal to, that means S7. Otherwise you have to substitute next step. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus of 1 into d. And then 49 it is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus of 1, 6 into d, 6d. So 7, if you have 7 means divided by 7, otherwise you have to divide it here only. 7 ones are 7 sevens are, you have to send here 2, it become multiply. So 2 into 7, 14, 2a plus 6 into d, 2a plus 6d. You have to cross multiply that, nothing is there means 1 is there, 2a plus 6d into 1, 2a plus 6d, again into 1, 2a plus 6d, it is equal to 2 into 7, 7 2s are 14, call it as number 1. Understand, friends? Next, question number, next what they are given, second given, S17 they are given. So S17 is equal to how much? 289. So that means n is equal to 17 here. Yes, students, S17 can be written as how much? 289. It is equal to n by 2 means, again same formula, n by 2 means 17 by 2 into 2a plus n minus of 1 into d means 17 minus of 1 into d. Yes. Next 289, 17 you have to divide it. 17 ones are 17, 17 ones are 17, 17 sevens are 119. So 17 is 139. Yes, next one. So 17 it become. So 17 ones are 17, it remaining 11, 119 it becomes 17 sevens are 119. So 17 into 2, 34. You have to divide it. 34, 72 is 34, remaining 2a plus 16 into d, 16d. So therefore 2a plus 16d, it is equal to 34, call it as number 2. If you are solving these two equations, first equation and second equation, so we can get the a and d value. That value we have to substitute the main formula. That means solve 1 and 2, first and second. So first one what? First equation is 2a plus 6d, it is equal to how much? 14. Yes. Second equation what they are given? 2a plus 16d, it is equal to 34. So already become equal. First one term already become equal. Therefore I will subtract it. 2 plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled. 6d, 16d minus of 6d, 10d minus 10d. Minus 34 minus of 14, 34 minus of 14 minus of 20. 4 minus of 4, 0, 3 minus of 1, 2, 20. So minus minus get cancel. 10 ones are 10 twos are. Therefore D is equal to 2. And we have to calculate the value of A. So substitute from 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2. So I will take 1. So 2A plus 6D. 6 into D means 2. It is equal to 14. So 2A plus 6 2s are 12. It is equal to 14. So 2A is equal to 40. If it is coming minus of 12. So 2A is equal to 40 minus of 12 is become 2. So therefore A is equal to 1. So this value we have to substitute the main formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus of 1 into D. Yes, students. So Sn is equal to n means we have to calculate n by 2 into A means 1 plus of n means we have to calculate n minus of 1 into D means 1. D means 1. Sorry, D means 2. A means 1. A means 1. Correct. And then n by 2 we have to write as it is only. So 2 ones are 2 plus n minus of 1 into D means 2 into 1 2n minus of 2. Next plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Remaining n by 2 into 2n. So 2 get cancelled. Remaining is n square. This is Sn. So Sn is equal to n square. I understand? Okay, students. Next question number 10. So question number 10. What is the question number 10? Show that A1, A2 up to AN are in the form of an AP where AN is defined as below. AN format is 3 plus 4n and another one is AN is equal to 9 minus of 5n. So I will solve first AN. First one AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. 10 main first question. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. 3 plus 4n. Yes. If you are giving n is equal to 1, if you will get the first term. So A1 is equal to 3 plus of 4 into 1. So what will you get? 3 plus 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This is A1. Like that A2. That means n is equal to 2. So 3 plus of 4 into 2, it is equal to 3. 4 plus 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. That is A2. A2 is equal to 7. A1 is equal to 7. A2 is equal to 11. So finally we have to A2 minus of A1. That means 11 minus of 7, you will get the 3. 11 minus 7, 4. 11 minus of 7 is 4. This is the D value is 4. So we have to calculate first 15 terms. Sorry. Find another question. Find the first 15 terms. Sum of the first 15 terms. Find the sum of first 15 terms. Okay. Yes. So D, we are getting the D value, A value, first term is given. First term we have to find out 7. Second term is 11. So finally, easily we have to calculate D. That means A2 minus of A1. It is 4. So D value is 4. Therefore, we have to calculate, find the sum of the first 15 terms. That means Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Yes. Now, n is equal to what? 15. Here n is equal to 15 now. So 15 divided by 2, that means S15. It is equal to 2 into A means first term is 7 plus of n minus of 1 means 15 minus of 1, D value is 4. Next one, 15 by 2 as it is we have to write down. Next 17 2s are 14. So plus of 15 minus of 1 is 14. 14 4s are 56. So now 15 by 2 into 56 plus of 14, 60. 50 plus 60, sorry, 70. It becomes 70. 56 plus of 14 is 70. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 15 into 35. 15 5s are 75, 7 carry. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus of 7, 52. 525. This is yes 15. So like this. So we have to solve the second question. A is equal to 9 minus of 5. Okay students. Okay students. Next in the next classes we are discussing the continuing the exercise 1.3. Thank you students.